Hello friends. Today I was interacting with ChatGPT and I was asking some mathematical questions, very simple mathematical questions like what is largest prime number. So it is giving this is the particular number which is the largest prime number till today, and there is other implications if we find what is the implications if we find if we discover a new prime number and all that, which I think is the mm, correct answer. And then I tried mm just giving some random uh, things to prove. Like this is obviously mm, not established theorem is that n factorial plus 1 is a prime number because 5 factorial plus 1, which is 121, which is not a prime number actually. But I gave it to ChatGPT just to see uh, how it gives the how it proves it. So then it proves the n factorial is a prime number. It accepts it, and then so it is saying that because in one and it can be only divisible by one and itself. That is the actually the conditions of prime number. So and then the number theory and all the stuffs, and then it further stating that finding a proof that n factorial is a prime for all values of n is an open problem in mathematics, which is actually not, because it is not a actually a problem because it is established that it is not a theorem, right? Or a open problem because if we put n equal to 5, and this will be a false statement. So there is currently no known proof. It is also not known that if there exists a value of n for which n factorial plus 1 is a not prime number or compound number. So therefore, to determine if n factorial plus 1 is prime, one would need to perform primality test and Miller-Robin test, all these things. Then I asked, what is 5 factorial plus 1? And it says 121. And it is also saying it is a prime number. So 5 factorial plus 1 is a prime. Although I did not ask whether it is prime or not, but I think based on our conversation, it got the idea that I am asking about that, and I mean whether it is a prime or not. But still, it did not get that it is not a prime number. Then I asked why 121 is a prime number. So it says the same thing. It is divisible by 1 and itself, and that's why it is a prime number. We can do primality test and then I asked in reverse fashion that what is square of 11. Then it is asking, it is saying that square of 11 is 121, which is correct. And then I asked her why 121 equal to 111 square is a prime number. Then also it is saying that 120 is a prime number. Although I am saying that equal to 11 square, then also it is saying that it is a prime number because it is only divisible by two positive divisors, one and itself, and all these other things, primality test and all. And in the last, it is saying that 121 is divisible by only one, not it actually, although not correct, 111 and 121 is divisible by 121 divisible by three numbers actually. So it is saying only these only by 1 and 11, so it is indeed a prime number. So this is the response of ChatGPT for these particular questions. And then I asked the completely different question, I mean opposite question, that why 121 equal to 11 square is a compound number. Then it is detecting that when the conversation what we had is I mean wrong. Then only it is realizing that it is wrong, so it is apologizing, and then it is saying this is not a prime number, it is actually a compound number, which means that it is divisible by more than just one and itself. And then all the other deductions, I mean all the other logics, that is 11 square, so that's why it is not a prime number, it's a compound number. So this is the this shows that the response of ChatGPT for a simple questions, um, simple mathematical questions can be very misleading, and we should not take it as it is, as the foolproof solutions or foolproof answer, right? So from now onwards, if I ask, is 121 a prime number, so it is saying no, it is not a prime number. Now onwards, it is, I think, learned from the conversation that okay, so 120 is a no, compound number. So so there is also positive side of it. It quickly learns from its mistake, and that would be the silver lining. So thanks for watching.